They said it's a kitchen essential, and you'll know once you try it. The Kuchen Edge rice cooker arrives wrapped in minimalist packaging, its sleek design hinting at innovation. Steam rises from an unseen pot, teasing the perfection within. This isn't just another appliance, it's a promise of culinary consistency, waiting to be unlocked. Traditional rice cookers often disappoint: burnt bottoms, uneven textures, and confusing controls. A frustrated home chef stares at a pot of mushy rice, steam escaping wildly. Inconsistent results waste time and ingredients. The Kuchen Edge emerges as the antithesis, a solution designed for precision, not guesswork. The Kuchen Edge's secret lies in its 3D heating technology, ensuring even heat distribution without hotspots. Its fuzzy logic adjusts cooking time based on moisture levels, while the airtight lock traps steam for flawless texture. This isn't magic, it's science tailored for your countertop. Side by side, the difference is undeniable. A budget cooker produces clumpy, uneven rice, while the Kuchen Edge delivers fluffy, separate grains. A timer reveals it achieves this in just 15 minutes, no pre-soaking required. Taste testers agree. Texture and aroma rival restaurant quality results. Quinoa, oatmeal, even steaming vegetables, the Kuchen Edge adapts with preset programs. Its non-stick pot cleans effortlessly, while the compact footprint fits cramped kitchens. User reviews highlight its role in meal prepping and busy mornings. This is multitasking redefined. A college student praises its one-button simplicity between classes. Parents rely on its consistency for picky eaters. Even professional chefs commend its precision for sushi rice. These testimonials share a common thread. The Kuchen Edge eliminates kitchen stress, meal after meal. Cheaper models seem economical until you factor in wasted food, energy inefficiency, and replacements. The Kuchen Edge's durable build and 5-year warranty offset its initial price. A cost-per-use calculation shows it pays for itself within months, especially for households cooking rice daily. The same frustrated cook from Scene 2 now smiles, lifting a lid to reveal perfect rice. Their kitchen feels organized. Mealtimes are predictable. The Kuchen Edge isn't just a tool, it's a paradigm shift. No more adjusting burner temperatures or scrubbing scorched pots. The video closes with the cooker's display illuminating the words, "perfect rice." Text overlays echo user quotes. "I finally understand the hype." The initial mystery resolves into clarity. The Kuchen Edge earns its reputation not through claims, but through undeniable daily performance. Your turn to experience it.